Welcome to our exhibit Carbon ADSORBENT Model 2025. Myself Jones and my friend Guru are going to explain.
The main objective of making this model to increase the air quality by carbon absorbent, which has activated carbon and incineration to reduce nitrogen dioxide.
Carbon emission sites of today's are industries, construction works, burning of rubbles, etc.
The effects of this emission causes lung disease, acid rain and global warming.
In spite of the various efforts taken by the government to reduce these emissions, we, the students of Muthamil Public School, have came up with the model Carbon ADSORBENT Model 2025.
Which is part of the areas which has carbon monoxide and nitrogen dioxide and means by a lot.
Based on the increased pollution, the government can prioritize the places by installing this activated carbon filter which absorbs carbon monoxide and increase the purity of air.
Now we'll explain how it works. The air quality monitoring system has two sensors, heat sensor and gas sensor. The heat sensor measures the temperature and relative humidity in the air. The gas sensor measures the gas and concentration of each gas in the atmosphere.
The data collected by these two sensors will be obtained on the screens which shows us good, bad or very poor or toxic level in the atmosphere.
Next, the carbon in monitoring system will be erected in places and monitor the amount of carbon monoxide and nitrogen dioxide in air and displayed through the digital board to the public.
Now we will demonstrate it. When a gas is inserted, gas sensor, the screen will show the toxic level on the atmosphere.
As a first step, air quality index monitoring system will be erected at all the places, which in turn measures the quality of air and which will be displayed to the public through digital displays. Warning signals will be issued across the state to stop the entry of vehicles.
When the air quality index is very low, the activated carbon filter will be activated automatically and absorbs the carbon monoxide and other green gas and improves the purity of air.